Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. Today I am going to discuss about notifications from Cyient recruitment for the mechanical engineer post in the location of Bangalore, and they are hiring for BE or BTech. So stay tuned with me. I will give the detailed description in this video and I will discuss everything how to fill the form in this video. So watch the video till end. Don't skip this video. And this is only for mechanical engineer, so those who are not in this discipline, those can leave this video. So stay tuned with me, and if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so that you will receive all latest notifications. So let's jump into this session. So you can see Cyient recruitment 2020 have been published their notification for the post of mechanical engineer for BE or BTech, and the location is for Bangalore. And you can see the salary will be based in industry. So you can see the norms in industry basically starts from 3 to 4 LPA. So don't take worry about it, they will pay high salary to you. And what will be your job description? You need to able to understand electrical schematics, basic knowledge of material properties, hands-on experience of CAD tools, CATIA V5, PLM platform like Innovia to create and validate 3D and 2D, development of concepts and detailed design of electromechanical equipments or subsystems, so etc. Basic skills they are asking for CATIA, EHI and harness design and tolerance analysis. So just go through this notification. I will post this notification in my description box so that it is easier for you to find this, and after clicking on this click here button you will be redirected to this page, and it is the careers page for Cyient careers recruitment. And you can see the post is available here, mechanical engineer for the location of Bangalore. And one more thing, there is no expired date for this in this website, so you can apply as early as possible, because though the post is not present for until huge date. Okay, so just if you are receiving the notification, then go through it and fill it. That I will suggest, and start prepare for it. Okay, so you need to click on apply here, and you will be redirected to the application form, and you need to upload here the CV. I am uploading on my CV so that it is easier for you. You can easily understand that how to fill up this form. So it may be any type of file, doc file or PDF file, or any text file also. So after uploading this, you need to click on next, then you need to fill the form. As I have uploaded already the CV, so you can see my names, all these things have come here. So I need to fill the prefix here, the location here, and my address is also come over here, and the email address also come over here, and phone number is also there. So just I need to click how I have come over this notification. Previously I have part of this recruitment or not, this thing I need to fill. And one more thing, you need to give your state. So after giving this, you need to click on next. Then you need to add your work experience. If you are experienced in some other company, then you need to put those company name and your experience of working there. And then you need to put your school education there, degree. You just need to put high school or graduate or any diploma you have done. What is your field of study? That must be mechanical. And what is your overall GPA, that means overall your CGPA, all total CGPA, and the starting year of your graduation or diploma and the ending year of it, and then you need to add it, the skills which you have, you need to put it here. As I have uploaded CV, so you can see the skills have already been collected there, and the languages you need to put. If you have any LinkedIn profile, you just give it here, then you need to click on next. So after clicking on this, you will be redirected to application questions, then voluntary disclosures, that means few conditions applied to you, then you need to review and then you need to submit it. So thus you need to apply for this job, and all total this is the notification for you. And stay tuned with me, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you for your patience, and if you think it is right choice for you, then go for it and apply for this job. And if you want more updates from my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all notification firstly. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching this video as well.